The vice president's latest blooper remarks saying her boss could have ended corruption in the DPWH in one day if he wanted to bring to mind how her impeachment case should not have even been an issue had she testified truthfully before Congress instead of her stonewalling and evasive efforts. And as our Clazel Pardilla reports, the palace fired back with a much better counterpunch.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is launching a sweeping investigation into anomalous flood control projects. Vice President Sara Duterte claimed the culprits could be identified and the probe can be finished in just one day if the president is serious. Malacanang rejected this idea, stressing the process will not be tukhang style.
Isang araw lang matatapos ng investigasyon? That is absolutely preposterous. Ang Pangulong Marcos Jr., hindi po siya nagsasagawa ng investigasyon ala tokhang way. Nirerespeto ng Pangulo ang due process, nirerespeto ng Pangulo ang human rights. So kaya po dumadaan ang lahat sa proseso.
Palace Press Officer Claire Castro added that Duterte should have advised her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, to address corruption during his term.
Kung isang araw lang po dapat ito na imbestigahan, sana po ay ito ay kanyang nasuggest noon sa kanyang ama dahil mismo ang dating Pangulong Duterte ay umamin na maraming ghost projects rampant noon. This is November 2020. Dahil sa pag-iimbestiga na ito, naisiwalat din at napatunayan ni Secretary Bato de la Rosa na ang mga diskaya ay 2016 pa pala na mamayagpag para sa flood control projects. Yung nirereklamo ni Mayor Magalong na rock netting ay 2018 pa pala ito proyekto. At yung nireklamo kay Pangulo na binisita sa Bulacan, ay 2021 pa pala ito nagawa.
The palace insists President Marcos is determined to hold accountable those behind failed and fictitious projects, even members of his own administration. Earlier, Marcos replaced the Public Works Chief, ordered courtesy resignation of the agency's officials, reshuffled the Philippine Contractors Accreditation Board, revoked licenses of firms linked to Sara Diskaya, and suspended district engineers tied to questionable projects.
Wala pa pong Pangulo sa history na gumawa ng ganitong malawakang pag-iimbestiga sa mga maanumalyang flood control projects. Kahit natamaan ang kanyang administrasyon, matapang ang Pangulong Marcos Jr. na ito ay paimbestigahan.
The chief executive has also ordered a review of next year's proposed budget for the Public Works Department. From the National TV Network, Clazel Pardilla for the New and Better Philippines.